The QL900 delivers the perfect combination of high performance and durability to your labeling process. Highly productive, printing at speeds of up to 12 inches per second, the QL900 delivers 1600 dpi high-resolution labels in vibrant color to satisfy the most demanding labeling applications, delivering exceptionally durable labels designed to be 3 times more resistant to the effects of water. Capable of printing on a wide variety of materials with widths ranging from 2 to 8.6 inches, the QL900 is flexible enough to print and rewind large runs or print multiple variations. The easy-to-change, economical printhead and ink cartridges on the QL900 allow any user the ability to maximize productivity while delivering an overall low total cost of operation. Use the included CQL software to design your labels, or import an existing image, then print with vibrant color. Using the intuitive built-in touchscreen, print directly from the job library for quick and convenient access to all your printing jobs. It's a robust printing solution that will deliver 24/7, year after year. For more information, visit astronovaproductid.com.